Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the OneTab Chrome Extension. OneTab help you save your open tabs and keep your Chrome browser organized. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar, you can search for OneTab, then press enter, click on the extension, then add to Chrome, and then add extension. Once the extension is installed, you can click on the puzzle icon, mark it as pin. Now, now open Google. You can search for any websites. Then click on the one tab icon. And here you will see all the tabs are saved in just one click. Whenever you want to restore all, you can just click on restore all. Also, you can see the other options like share as a web page, save as HTML file, import link, remove duplicates. Here you will see all the tabs you can save with the timestamp. On next time, when you open the tab, just click on restore all, then click on save choice. Here you will see all the tabs are opening with one click. And that's it. That's how you can use the OneTab Chrome extension. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.